Hey guys, Rage here. So today we're going to do an unboxing of this Llano laptop cooler. So without further ado, this is the Pro model. Let me show you guys. So this is the V10 model, and let's get to unboxing it. And look at that. Comes with the accessory bag. I like the looks of it so far. Now let's unpack this so I can figure out where the beginnings are over here. That's good. This plastic should break very easily. And it did. Alright. Here we have some foam to use it. We'll put that aside for now. We also have the power brick, and the cable seems fairly long, so that's nice. Over here we have all the connectors, USB-C, USBs, there's two of them. Not the USB-C, there's one in, one out, and the DC adapter. So let's plug it in. So I just turned it on. We have some LEDs, which is always nice. LEDs over here as well in the back and in this side. Very nice. Over here we have some controls as well as power. Off. LED shut off. We can turn it on and they turn back on. And I can feel the wind already. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see. Not really sure if my laptop will fit in here. I have like the one I have over here for this demonstration, but let's see if it does. So this is what it looks like with my laptop on it. There's like these little handles here so you can keep it from sliding off. It looks really nice. I like it. You will keep it nice and cool. So this is the Llano laptop cooler. And there's some controls here as well. You can control the lights, change the light mode, the fan speeds and stuff like that. So let me show you. Let me take the laptop off and show you the lights and stuff. Okay, so here's what I found out. So the color switch, you can change the color. Then this button over here, which is the mode switch, you can change how the LEDs behave. And there's different, you can cycle through different pulsing and different things, as you can see here. So you choose the modes, and then over here, this is the speed of the fan. Right now it's 300. I can feel it. It's very quiet. But however, I can increase this, and you might hear the power of this fan. This thing is kicking. There's like a lot of wind that's coming out of here. So if you're playing video games, this will definitely keep your laptop very cool. And it also has a filter in the back here, which is really nice. Let me shut it off so we can go in the back here and open the filter. So I can show you guys. See? So it's a dust filter. That is that fan still spinning, even though I shut it off. But you'll be able to clean the dust filter very easy. Now it's back. There's a stand, so it can be standing, and then you can also increase. So you push it in here, so now it stands even higher. So it's in a nice incline, which you cannot see it, but you know it's a fairly big incline. You have your ports, so you plug in one from the computer here, and yeah. Looks really nice, very well built, nice quality. So I highly recommend, and put my laptop here so it doesn't, because mine is a MacBook, so I need to use these little things to keep it in place, especially this steep angle, but it's really good on the rests and stuff. So yep, that's it guys, and this is what it looks from the back. First I should probably turn it on. And I have it on the maximum speed. There you go. This is how it looks from the back. And it looks pretty neat. This is how it looks from the side. LEDs on both sides. So It's a nice little cooling station, and it's gonna be my main driver. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys later.